The POCO X7 Pro is scheduled for an official launch on January 9, 2025, at 20:00 GMT+8. This highly anticipated smartphone is set to feature a MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra processor, ensuring robust performance for both everyday tasks and demanding applications. It will come equipped with a substantial 6,550 mAh battery, complemented by 90W hypercharge support, allowing for rapid charging capabilities. The device is expected to boast a dual-camera setup, headlined by a 50MP sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, promising high-quality photography. Additionally, the POCO X7 Pro will be among the first devices to run on HyperOS 2.0, based on Android 15, offering users an updated and seamless software experience. With a starting price anticipated to be under 30,000 Indian rupees, approximately $350 or €340, the POCO X7 Pro aims to deliver a compelling blend of advanced features and affordability, positioning it as a strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market.